Done? Okay, let's see. How many colors are there in the image? Yellow, light blue, dark blue, orange, white, pink. Is that it?
Ma'am, but is white considered a color?
In this, yeah. Because there's a specific, because everything else is color, only one section is not. So yeah, white also you have to
I
consider.
mean, white also. The white circle and the white squares are different.
White circle and what? White square?
And the white color squares, the white circle is completely white, but the white square is a little off white.
There, you mean there's a difference in the color, white color?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I think is that it's the same color. No, I'm finding no difference actually. Anyway, the basic primary color, not primary colors, basic colors that are there are yellow, light blue, dark blue, pink, orange, white. That's it. How many? 6? Yeah, this is the same color. Anywhere else, any other color? No. How many commonly known shapes are present in the image? There's circle, triangles, squares. What else? What did you guys give the answer as?
What about semicircle?
It is commonly known. Yeah, semicircle also. Okay, so circle, semicircles, triangles, squares. Any doubt, question regarding this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I also decided from today we'll regularly do principles of design questions. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Try this question. It's a shaded area question. Okay, 12, 11.4. Okay, the shaded area, this one, okay, here, this is a quarter circle and this is a right angle triangle. Only this part was unknown, but if you draw a straight line from this point, it will divide into square and another right angle triangle, correct? So this is a square, correct? So side of the square is 8 centimeter. So shaded area will be equal to area of the square minus area of this quarter circle, which is pi r square by 4, where r is 4. Okay, so pi into 4 square by 4 minus this square's length is 4 centimeter, 4 units, 4 into 4 minus area of this will be half into base into height. Base is 4 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. So half into 4 into 8 minus here this one, the height is 4 centimeter here also and base is also 4 centimeter. So half into 4 into 4. Okay, so this will be 64 minus 4 square 16 pi by 4 4 pi. Okay, so 88 by 7. I'll just write it here. Minus 16 minus 16 minus 8. Correct. This will be 16, 16, 32 and 8 is 40. So 24 minus 8, about to become 11 point.
You can take pi as 3.14.
You can take it. If your answer will still be same, there may be slight difference in the points, the power, decimal or 11.4 you'll get square units. Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. One more we'll do, then we'll continue with our regular. Okay. Now I got 14 others. Okay. See, this figure, right, it is a little similar to the previous one, except that this shape is known, this shape is known. Both are right angle triangles, but this shape is not known. So if I draw a line from here to, no need to draw, I already have it. If I draw a line from here to here, I'll get all known shapes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, to calculate the shaded area, there is one problem. So what it is I know shaded area will be equal to area of the square minus area of this part minus area of this minus area of this and minus area of this part. Okay, but I can find out this length. Correct. But I don't know what is this length. Because I need this. To find out the area of this one, I need this one.
Ma'am, you don't have to find that length. You can just divide you can take to find the area of R S cube
Yes.
and then divide by 2.
Correct. So also see, before doing that, this, what does this two lines here, 2 lines here, 2 lines, what do they mean?
Means that those sides have equal length.
Exactly. If so, suppose here one side, there's one dash and one dash, that means both of them lengths are equal. Similarly here 2 dash 2 dash 2 dash means here it's, if it's 8 here, this also will be 8, this is 8, meaning this is a circle, square. Okay, so what we can do is area of RQS, this triangle, one RQS. Okay, will be equal to area of the square, which is 8 into 8, minus area of this right angle triangle, which will be half into 8 into 4, base into height. Correct. Minus area of this right angle triangle, which is half into 4 into 7, minus area of this half into 1 into 8. Correct. So this will be 64 minus, this is 16 minus 14 minus 4. Will be equal to 30, if I'm not wrong. 30 square centimeter. Okay. Now we have the area of this whole triangle, but we want only this part, which is half of the area of the whole triangle. So blue shaded area will be equal to area of triangle RQS divided by 2 will be 15 square centimeter. Okay, understood? Any questions, doubts?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat that area of triangle RQS?
Here they've given that this length RP and PS is same, right? And PQ is common for both of them. So base is same and height is the same. That means area of their triangle, both the triangles will be equal. Okay, and RQS will be equal to area of RQS will be equal to area of the square, which is 8 into 8 minus area of this triangle, half into 8 into 4 minus area of this triangle, which is half into 4 into 7 minus area of the small one, half into 8 into 1. So if I get area of the whole triangle, if I divide it by 2, I'll get this part easily. Okay, that is what we have done. 64 minus 16 minus 14 minus 4 will give you 30. So the area of the whole triangle is 30. Divided by 2 will give you 50. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a second. Try this question. I hope you guys are able to read the question. You can give your answers in the chat also. Okay. EF. Others? Okay. Okay, let's see. Symmetry, not there. Blur, yes, in the background, this part has been blurred. Hierarchy, no. No hierarchy as such. Unity, debatable. Contrast, yes, there is contrast in the color. Okay, emphasis, yes, your eye is directly going to the animal in the word in the between. Okay, bright, it's not very bright. Which ones will you choose? B, E, F. Always choose though that which you are completely sure of. Okay, some part of design may be there in everything. Okay, not what I mean to say. Every design principle may be there in some part, but choose those which are highlighting it, which are being highlighted in the concept. Okay, so here your answer will be blur, contrast, emphasis. I think many of you have given the same answer. Good. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Try this one. 3. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So many symmetry. Is this symmetrical?
The side.
No. What does symmetry mean? Symmetry
Balance.
means if I draw a line like this in the center, which is not at center, suppose here, okay, or like this, horizontally or diagonally, okay. If I draw that line and the division between the two parts should be same, they both should look same, basically mirror images, okay. It's not just vertically, it also can be horizontally or diagonally. Is it symmetrical? There is a difference between asymmetrical balance because there's differences here, correct? That there's a plant leaves here, which is not there on this side. Okay, so this is balanced image, asymmetrical balance, but it's not symmetrical. Understanding the difference?
So
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
we can opt for balance in this, right?
Yes. You can opt for balance. Intricate is correct. I think many of you have put that one. Then repetition, I think, is more apparent here. The designs are being repeated, shapes are being repeated. Yes. So A, C, F would be good answer. I think Nana has answered that.
What is C, man?
Hmm?
What is C?
C is intricate, intricate design, detailed design basically. It's not exactly a principle of design, but it describes this image. Many questions they've asked this. Intricate. Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, one last question of principles of design. Then we'll go for another part.
உடாத பண்ணல பண்ணலாமா அப்படி உடாதா விட்டலாமா
ஐயோ போய் நோண்டி விடுறா உட்காராங்க போய் என் புக்ஸ் எடுத்துன்னு
Sense of movement. Okay. Is this symmetrical?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not. Polychromatic. Polychromatic means multicolored. Is it?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not. Gradation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there is gradation. Gradation means, what does gradation mean? The gradual, not gradual, I won't say, in the same color, okay, there are different hues of the same color, like here. Okay, different, you can say shades of different color, one color. Okay, movement, is there a sense of movement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, there is a sense of movement here. Repetition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Proportion? No, nothing as such. Datum? No.
Ma'am, can you again explain like meaning of datum?
Yeah, okay. I'll answer this first, then I'll explain. Radial balance?
Ma'am, it can be confused if to select it or not.
Sorry, what?
About radial balance, ma'am.
Mhm. This one shows radial balance, okay? Radial balance,
But it's saying that any three. Which
yeah,
three?
any three. You can select any three, okay? I'm just saying these are all are correct, so it can choose among these. Okay, radial balance is maybe based on a flower like this. It opens outside. Yesterday we saw the lotus temple. That is
Yes, ma'am, I know, but like it's given select any, right? So
yes. I'll just finish this. I'll explain. I'll tell it.
yes, ma'am.
Radial balance is also like this inside of a shell or winding staircases like this. So the correct answers are C, D, F, I. Okay, among these, any you can select any three. Okay. You were saying something. No? Is this the same thing you're asking?
Yes, ma'am, cleared, ma'am.
Okay. Datum, no? Just a second. I'll open that.
What's the meaning of datum?
Yeah, I'll explain. Datum is an assumed line or surface which is taken as a point of reference for the measurement of height and depth. It is especially used in architecture. Okay, here you can see this is the datum line. Here, this is the datum line. This is the plane. This is the space or volume. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I had given you guys homework yesterday, no? Did you guys do it? You have to select two architectural sites and write 3 words that define them. Did you guys do it? No. Okay. Take today and tomorrow also. Try to do this. This is so that you can minimize the amount of information you get. Okay, so that you can write something in short, which is what they do ask in your exam. Okay, try this. Do you want me to give the site?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll give that. Let's see the architecture plan of temple, an Indian temple. This is called the Kandariya Mahadev temple. Okay, this is in Madhya Pradesh. It is one of the temples of the Khajuraho set of temples. This is how it looks like. This is the front view. Okay. This is the main temple. Here, these are all on the four sides. There are subsidiary temples of different gods. Okay, this is mainly a Shiva temple. Okay. This is what is the plan. Okay, this is of the main temple. This is of the whole site. Now, this one is called Ardha Mandapa, or it's actually a porch. Okay. Next is the Mandapa, second one. Then this is the Maha Mandapa, Antarala. What is meant by Antarala? You've studied it.
Could you repeat the question again?
Yeah. What does Antarala mean? Fourth. It is a kind of like a vestibule, okay, between Garbhagriha and Mandapa. It's small chamber, okay. Then obviously Garbhagriha, fifth one, main where there is the main. Sixth, Pradakshina. We do Pradakshina around this place. Okay, this is the path. Transepts, these are the transepts. What is a transept?
It's a cross like.
Basically, as I told you before, that this is a church. Okay. If the church or whatever it is in cross like this, the shorter paths ends are called transepts. Okay, here and here, seven, all of them. Usually seen in churches. Jagati. It is a raised platform on which the temple sits. Okay. Then 9. Here, all these subsidiary shrines. As we saw here. These 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the whole place. The surrounding the temple is called Jagati. Raised platform. Okay. This is a stairs. This is a porch or Ardha Mandapa. Then this is a Mandapa. This is a Maha Mandapa. Greater in size, it's pillared if I'm not. Okay, plinth, you guys know. Shikhara above the Garbhagriha. Garbhagriha is in the center. Okay. Any questions? Tilla?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see a short explanation of this one. It is the largest temple in the western group of the temples of Khajuraho. Khajuraho means it's an area. It has many temples. Okay, one of them is Kandariya Mahadev temple. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The main spire or Shikhara, North Indian this one, rises to 30.5 meters to depict Mount Meru. What is Mount Meru? It is the holy mountain of Shiva. Okay. It is real only. It is said that Shiva resides there. and is surrounded by 84 miniature spires. Okay, this shall show you. The smaller ones, no? This is the main Shikhara, and there are some subsidiary Shikharas. What are they called?
Urushringa.
Exactly, Urushinga. When we were discussing Indian temple architecture, this was the structure we saw. They had 84 Urushingas. These are miniature spires. Okay, this cluster around the central peak to show the effect of a mountain architecture. Okay, there is a marble Shivalinga in the inner sanctum. Okay, the words are the numbers not necessary. Garbhagriha is a sanctuary. It's the Indian word is an English word is actually sanctuary. Okay, where the main deity is kept. Pradakshina Patha, circumambulatory paths having 3 sides balcony, bringing ventilation and light. Mandapa, columned assembly hall having 2 sides balcony. Artha Mandapa, entrance porch. Okay,
What is Garbhagriha?
sorry,
Garbhagriha.
Garbhagriha. Garbhagriha is where the main deity is kept. Every temple has one, no? A smaller one inside. That is Garbhagriha.
Gopuram. Huh?
No. Gopuram is the tower. Gopuram is the entrance actually. See, in South Indian, this one temples, the temple is not the main. This one, okay. For at the entrance, there are towers. Imagine Madurai Meenakshi. Okay. Before temple comes only, there is towers. I'll show you the structure. Okay. See, this is a plan of Meenakshi temple. Okay. These entrances are there on all 4 sides. This is called Gopuram. Okay. The inner part that is called that is there called Vimana in South India. In North India, it's called Shikhara. Okay. Understood? Now tell me. Yeah. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
I wanted to show you yesterday something I forgot actually. I will show it. Because in your exams, you might have seen the plans of buildings that they give. Modern buildings are many of them are from Charles Korea. Right. So seeing Charles Korea's other designs, I saw this. I thought it was interesting, so I thought I'll share. Anyway, we don't have time for another plan. I thought we'll do this. This is Hindustan Liver Pavilion. Okay, I'll show you the real picture. Okay, this is the Hindustan Liver Pavilion at the entrance because this is for air circulation. Okay, This was the first of its kind, a building that was designed to let the air circulate through it with unique shape and ventilation points. Okay, at odd places there are ventilation points. The effect is that the outside of it, from the outside, it looks as if it's a crumpled paper. Okay, but this was an early design of Charles Collier. It was in 1961. This is how it looks from up. Air goes from here, then outside from here. This is Charles Collier design, okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
There's no such plan as such for this one, but I thought the shape was unique, so I thought we'll discuss it. Okay. I wanted to discuss another plan, but there's no time. We'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Now I'll put it on the group on which two sides you have to write 3 words about. Okay. You have to write those 3 words as that. Even if if you won't tell me the name, I should be instantly able to recognize it. Understanding what I'm saying? It could be a part of the site, a temple, whatever it is, or it could be something which describes it uniquely, an adjective. Okay. For example, lotus temple. Okay. If I say lotus, you can clue in, not the only thing to determine, but understand what I'm saying? What type of answers you should. This is an exercise for your plan questions. Okay. Any doubt? Any questions?
Ma'am, can you share the PDF of Hindu temples?
Yeah, all the plans that we have done till since we started, I'll share all of them. All right. Okay, we can end the session. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.